Yes, it is a quota within the existing quota of 27%. It's this reservation which caused an uproar in the lower house of parliament. While Lalu Prasad led the anti-Lokpal brigade, it was the BJP and the left that united to target the government of trying to divert attention, questioning the timing of bringing in a quota along religious lines.
Lalu Prasad leading the demand for reservation for minorities based on religion in Lokpal. The lower house adjourned without the bill being tabled. Lalu taking the battle outside.
कि भाई आप बताओ, ये देश का माइनॉरिटीज देश का नागरिक नहीं है क्या? मुस्लिम नागरिक नहीं है क्या?
The uproar in parliament already evoking reactions from the minority.
Majority of the Muslims constitute backward class, and being backward class, therefore their representation can be made. And some of the Muslims have already been declared as backward class.
While we are talking about the women and the OBCs and the scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, the minorities should have also been included into it. I fail to understand why did they omit it.
And Team Anna slamming the move as a diversionary tactic, reading motive into Lalu's tirade.
Side shows in terms of this discussion and acrimonious discussion on reservations has been created in order to sidetrack the main issue.
This is blackmail.
But once the session resumed, the quota debate dominated the House. The BJP objecting to reservation.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट के दर्जनों फैसले ऐसे आए हैं जिसमें उन्होंने कहा एक कैपिंग करके कि कभी भी आरक्षण 50% से ज्यादा नहीं होगा। पहली बार आया है एक बिल में इस तरह का भाषा, नॉट लेस देन 50%। आपको मालूम है कि ये बिल प्रावधान कर रहा है 9 लोगों का, एक चेयरमैन होंगे लोकपाल के, 8 मेंबर होंगे।
The CPIM voicing its support.
Is that the government does not want to relinquish control. So not a question being with Lalu or against Lalu, Mulayam or against Mulayam. Whether they are for the Lokpal at all, I really don't know. But this cannot be an issue which diverts attention from the substantive issues concerning the Lokpal. That is what my position is. We have no objection at all. In fact, it's good if the minority member is there in the Lokpal.
RJD's Lalu Prasad and SP justifying his move.
रिजर्वेशन जो 50% ये बोल रहे हैं कि अनकंस्टिट्यूशनल हो जाएगा, ये उनका सोच गलत है। ये गवर्नमेंट सर्विस नहीं है। RSS वाले बोलते हैं और फिर पलट जाते हैं कि मुसलमानों से दोस्ती करना पड़ेगा सत्ता के लिए। करना चाहिए, आज तक गलती आपने किया, तो ये रिजर्वेशन को करेक्ट कर लिया, ये अच्छी बात है।
क्या लोकपाल की मशीनरी सरकारी मशीन को हर रोज ब्लैकमेल नहीं करेगा? क्या लोकपाल ब्लैकमेल करने पर भ्रष्टाचार का नया घटना तो नहीं बन जाएगा?
Even minority parties adding their views.
Minorities comprise 19% of our population. Is it fair? Is it natural justice that the 19% of the people should not be represented in the Lokpal bill?
Even the Trinamool Congress supporting the move.
Our leader requested the government to bring the minorities within the amendment, and government has done it. We are sincerely giving thanks to the government.
On the day the historic Lokpal bill was finally introduced, the quota within quota debate seeing fiery speeches.
You get your time, please. To accommodate the minority quota in the Lokpal committee, the question that many are asking is that has the government willingly or unwillingly thrown open a bigger debate? Because the question that obviously comes to the mind is that with UP elections round the corner, is this or will this be used as a political ploy, or is there a backroom understanding between government and other regional political parties to stall the Lokpal bill? In New Delhi, Sanket Upadhyay for Times Now.